If you've ever wondered how much money you've actually spent on Steam, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you two simple ways to check your Steam spending. First, how to find your total lifetime spend, and second, how to view a full itemized purchase history of everything you've bought. This is super helpful if you want to track your gaming budget, review old purchases, or just finally settle the age-old question of how much your Steam library really cost. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump in. The first method is the most accurate way to see your total real-world money spent on Steam. This includes wallet top-ups and direct purchases tied to your account. To start, open Steam and look at the top menu bar. Click Help and then click Steam Support. Once the support page opens, select My Account, then choose Data related to your Steam account. On this page, scroll down until you see External Funds Used. This is the section that shows the money you've added to Steam from outside sources. When you open it, you'll see three important values. The first one is TotalSpend. This number represents every dollar you've ever put into Steam. The second one is OldSpend. This shows money spent before April 2015, which is when Steam changed how limited accounts worked. The third one is PWSpend. This refers to money spent on perfect world games such as Dota 2 or CS2 in certain regions. Together, these numbers give you a pretty detailed look at your Steam spending history. If your goal is to find your overall total spend is the main number you want to focus on. Now let's look at the second method, which is the itemized purchase history. This is the best option if you want to see exactly what you bought and when you bought it. Start by clicking your username in the top right corner of Steam, then select Account Details. On the right-hand side of the account page, click View Purchase History. Steam will now show a full list of transactions tied to your account. This can include game purchases, wallet funds, market sales, gifts you received, and even refunded items. It's a great way to review your spending in more detail and see how your library has grown over time. If you're checking Steam spending for budgeting, curiosity, or just to see how much you've invested in gaming, these two methods cover everything you need. The first gives you the big total, and the second gives you the full breakdown. So whether you're trying to keep track of expenses or just proving to yourself that your backlog was definitely worth it, now you know exactly where to look. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.